Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both sides, your Apple device and PayPal. Make sure iOS is up to date and the region supports Apple Pay. This matters because Apple restricts features by country. Next, open the PayPal app and sign in so you can access settings. PayPal must be verified with a linked bank or card. Once done, go to iPhone settings and confirm Wallet and Apple Pay is enabled. This primes the device to accept a new payment method. Now you add PayPal as a payment method inside Wallet. Tap Add Card, then select PayPal from the list. It appears because PayPal supports tokenized transfers. You will be redirected to the PayPal app to authenticate. Approve the pairing with your PayPal credentials and Face or Touch ID. This step tokenizes your PayPal funding source for Apple Pay. Make sure to set PayPal as default if you want it for web and in-app purchases, and allow iCloud Sync. Finish by verifying the connection with a small test payment in Safari or an app that supports Apple Pay. You should see PayPal as the selected funding option. If the option is missing, make sure your region supports PayPal via Apple Pay, your iOS and PayPal app are updated, and PayPal account verification is complete. If problems persist, remove and re-add PayPal in Wallet, restart your device, and only then contact PayPal support. That often resolves tokenization or authorization errors.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.